All right, day 3, you know, daylight savings last night, lost an hour of sleep. Oh well. Not too sunny out today, so we gotta go work, grind, one more day.
Baby, you got what I need. But you say he's just a friend. Come on.
I'm absolutely destroyed. My baby is gone. Like, oh my god. Sorry, we'll tape it back together.
Some questions in the scene. Jack Morton, if you could be any type of fish, what fish would you be and why?
I would definitely be a swordfish.
Swordfish?
Yeah.
Why would that be?
Because I would just stab all the other little fish.
That's
running! Keep going!
I used to think catching the ball was rewarding, but could you imagine actually being able to get it in the goalpost?
So hungry. Day what? 3?
Day 3, baby.
Day 3.
Duffy's, baby.
Team dinner at Duffy's. Double cheeseburger, you know what I'm thinking? Some chicken tenders and fries.
I actually got a grouper sandwich, loaded up with some tartar sauce. Wasn't enough. We had a $15 limit, but I needed a little more, so I actually got JP's pasta, I think it was, way too buttery. So kind of soiled my meal. It's not sitting in my stomach that well right now, but you know what? Tomorrow we got practice, so it doesn't mean anything.
I got me a buffalo chicken sandwich, of course. Okay, load that stuff up with some blue cheese, and I munch that down right away. You know.
I was the last person to get my food. I waited an hour and 45 minutes for my chicken fettuccine alfredo. I was hangry, but now I'm pretty cool.
What's up, y'all? Ending the night with some lactate pills, getting ice cream with the boys after 2 hard practices.
It was a great day, had 2 really good practices, hit the beach for the first time, got some sun, it was really great, can't wait for tomorrow.
You know, we ate a lot of healthy food today. We communicated as a team. We worked hard during practice. So to kick it off with, just do it, baby.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Good night.